Hey everybody, today in this problem we're going to show the before and after effects of the dividend on the components of stockholders' equity. We've got our information up here in the paragraph, and I like to put in my titles first in this type of problem. So we've got stockholders' equity, paid-in capital, common stock, paid-in capital in excess of par value, common stock, total paid-in capital, retained earnings, and total stockholders' equity. Some of these boxes in the before dividend were just given, so we can just plug in. Our common stock, we're told, is 1,134,000. We have no paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock, so that's 0. We can add those two together to get our total paid-in capital. Then our retained earnings, we're told up here, is 430,000. Add total paid-in capital and retained earnings, and we get 1,564,000. Now, after dividends, we have to do a little more calculating. To get our common stock, after dividends, we have to take our 18,900 shares and multiply it by the 9 par value. 18,900 shares times 9 gives us 1,304,1. Paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock, we have to take our 18,900 shares declared and take the difference between the market price and the par value. So 17 minus 9 gives us 8. So 18,900 shares times 8 gives us 1,512,000. Then we can add common stock and paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock together. Then for our retained earnings, we have to take our original 430,000 of retained earnings and subtract out of that these shares here, our new dividends, 18,900 shares at 17. So 18,900 times 17 gives us 321,300. 430,000 minus 321,300 gives us 108. Then we add our total paid-in capital to our retained earnings for a total that is the same as our other column, which is what we want. The second part of this problem is to show the before and after effects of the dividend on the shares outstanding. So before the dividends, to find the shares outstanding, we can simply take the cost, the dollar amount of the common stock, and divide it by the par value of 9. So 1,134,000 divided by 9. And that number is 12,000, or no. And then to get our after dividend number, we take that 126,000 and add the 18,900 shares issued and declared. So 126,000 plus 18,900 gives us 144,900. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.